Hi guys, Frank from 450 Sports. We are going to start with Titanium 1112. So I'm just going to wait for everyone to see me. So just tell me when you see me. Not sure why you're not seeing me yet. All right, so here we go. So let's start with Titanium 1112. There's 2 tick pack in those ones. Well, I thought it was 1112. Let me see. Yeah, it's 1112. I didn't make an error. Sorry, bro. All right, here we go. All right, we have a Cal Okposo, New York Islanders. We have a redemption game-worn gear autograph. That must be number 250 for the Edmonton Oilers. Sam Gagner. We have dual game-worn gear for the Ottawa Senators, number 300. Erik Karlsson and Erik Condra. Nick Foligno, sorry. We have a James Neal's game-worn gear. We have a Tyler Kennedy game-worn gear. We have a dual game-worn gear for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Mikhail Grabowski, Nikolai Kulemin. We have a New Wave autograph, Chicago Blackhawks, Victor Stalberg. We have a nice 4-way memorabilia, 4-star for the Flames, Jarome Iginla, Curtis Glencross, Jay Bouwmeester, and Mark Giordano. We have a Zach Cation for the Buffalo Sabres. And we have dual game-worn gear prime for the Chicago Blackhawks, Duncan Keith and Brent Seabrook. So there you go, guys. That was all for the Titanium break. I'll be right back with Artifact.